Hey everybody, we are coming to you from the Hound Dog Fest in Silverhill, Alabama. It is quite an incredible concert put on by the Baldwin Humane Society. And everybody check out the boat that's raffling off. I've got a ticket, so I want to call it my boat right now already. This is a really nice boat. This is actually a 1974 boat that has been totally refurbed. And tickets, $50 a piece. They're doing 500 tickets. Check that out. Got a new radio and everything, new Bimini top, brand new 4-stroke motor. That is a super prize. Hey, great. All right. Oh, they've got a little crowd already. Yeah. Nice. Leaving Brothers merch. What a great venue. Uh-oh, she found t-shirts now. Here we go. Hey, boy.
Try that, Roseanne. Try that, Roseanne.
Very cool t-shirt. Okay, so we are in Silverhill, and this place is called The Venue at Hidden Lake. And anytime you've got something named Hidden Lake, you've got to be interested in what that is. Let me show you this beautiful lake. Check out that is cool.
Here and me. Baby, you're supposed to shoot the t-shirt, not yourself. You weigh like 20 pounds. You're so little bitty. Here we go. There we go. T-shirt. Oh, good catch. Yep, there he is.
Ah, okay, we found the bar, everybody. Check it out.
What up, Terry?
Give his belly.
Oh, yeah.
Was it good?
Whacked out wiener.
He gives it the thumbs up to the whacked out waiter.
If you can find a cooler golf cart than that one, let me know. That is damn awesome.
I know you, you know me, over me.
The next band, Thick and Thin, they're on the stage, and I have went to this food truck right behind me and got some nachos. These are loaded nachos from Whacked Out Wiener. Check this out. Oh yeah, that's right. Have that and white wine. Enjoy the band. This band right here is called Thick and Thin. They are jamming. Really enjoyed the last few songs as we've been sitting here enjoying our Sauvignon Blanc and nacho meal. You can't really get any better than that. Just can't tell you how beautiful this venue is. It's incredible. Okay, there's changing bands to another band. While they're doing that, I want to show you some stuff that we filmed earlier in historic downtown Silverhill, the most beautiful community you've ever seen in your life. We are on County Road 104, and we are just rolling into Silverhill right now. This is actually the original town square. It's still the town square. It's such a short town, I'm just going to go ahead and drive all the way through it one time, and then we'll come back to the same point at the town square and go in a different direction. But look how gorgeous this place is. Cafe. We need to try to learn what that is. Maybe we need to eat there. Okay. Got about another half mile here. We're going to come up on Oscar Johnson Park. I'm going to spin in there. There's an old bridge I want to show you. Look at how neat that is. I'm going to pull into the park. Oscar Johnson certainly has his name all over this town because he is, of course, the founder. Okay, so I will admit I am a huge fan of covered bridges. I'm not going to take but a minute, but I want to walk down here and actually walk across this bridge. Look at the size of that spider. Oh, I've got to get him. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. It's huge. Just not many covered bridges left out there anywhere. You see one, you better stop and take a look. It will be gone. There's no one left to take care of this kind of stuff. Silverhill, they know their history. Got a disc golf course here at Oscar Johnson Park. That's cool. Teeing off right there, number one. The internet did tell me that the locals call this park Covered Bridge Park in Silverhill. But it's a really nice little park. Let's get back to the Hound Dog Fest. The building that I'm standing in front of is actually the second building that was ever put on site in Silverhill, Alabama. It's interesting. The first building was Oscar Johnson's house, and the second building was this one, which is actually originally the Fee Land Colony Land Company. And you see it's actually written right there. It's really amazing this place is still here. Has so much history involved in this. And of course now it is the library. Silverhill, of course, was founded by these three guys, Mr. Carlson, Mr. Valentine, and Mr. Johnson. But Mr. Johnson, he was the Swede, so this is actually Oscar Johansson. But the library is still open. It's tiny, and understand that upstairs once a year they let the kids go up there and look at the original room where all of this town started. It's amazing. Okay, pretty good angle. You can see it side by side there. This is the original building, and this is where you would go to the land company once you arrived here in Silverhill and pick up your land, so to speak, make the transaction. Land was between $15 and $40 per acre, and then there was the promise that they would help you build, and you could build a 4-room house in Silverhill for between $150 and $400. It attracted a lot of people, and this is where you went when you arrived. right, so we got the shrimp tacos and the mahi tacos. I don't know which is which, but they look good.
I'm just gonna molest these. Can I touch them?
Ticket. We have 5 seconds more. Does anybody want to buy a ticket?
This is for that fabulous boat. We have 5 seconds more. Anyone else want to buy a ticket?
If you want to buy a ticket, you need to come up to the front of the stage right now. Otherwise, it's over.
This is it.
All right.
And Abby, the executive director.
Let's bring Abby up. Oh, there she is. Hey, Abby.
Hey, Abby.
Hey, everybody. Thank you for coming. We really appreciate it.
This is an awesome prize.
Yeah, this is incredible. So thank you to the gentleman who donated it, and thank you to everybody who bought a ticket.
We want to thank Mr. and Mrs. Will Thompson. They couldn't be here tonight. They donated this boat in memory of their dog Moose. And they refurbished it and had it ready to go, and Moose passed away. So they gave it to Baldwin Humane in hopes that we could take Moose's memory on and on. I don't know if it's Moose's or Moose or what, but anyway.
Meese.
Meese, mice, no, it's Moose.
All right, so we're gonna draw for this boat. Hang on, wait 1 second. Wait 1 second before you draw it.
Wait.
Where's Carl Langley? Carl,
Shake it up really well.
Carl, can you
Shake
please
it
come?
up,
Can someone come to
baby.
the drums? Can someone come to the
we
drums?
need some music or something.
Oh, the drums are being
The
fixed.
Ayers brothers are getting ready, and they're like, yeah, we can't.
Never mind.
Abby, we can do this.
I wanted a drum roll.
Abby,
Come on, boys. Thank you. Abby, this is a big deal.
The winner is Sue Gunn.
Sue Gunn! Sue Gunn! Is Sue here?
Sue, where are you? Sue!
Sue, come on down.
Yay, Sue!
My goodness.
That's incredible! Yay!
Sue Gunn!
Sue, come on it, sister, in your boots.
Look at Sue.
Woo, work it.
That's right.
You know what's funny is
Wow, congratulations. You won a boat, girl.
You know what's funny is Sue had a son that graduated with me in a class of 2010 at Bayside Academy.
Wow.
Look at that.
Sue
Gunn.
just won a boat.
Come on, Sue.
She's like,
Sue, you
"What?"
got a boat. You got a whole ass boat.
A whole boat.
What would you like to say, Sue?
Creek, so I'm gonna have this a boat in my creek.
Sue.
What creek?
Sue.
Congratulations. Look at all this. And look at her accessories.
Sue.
Wow.
Cause Sue's gonna go.
Sue, you're fabulous.
Congratulations, Sue. Okay, we didn't win the boat, but we have donated to a wonderful, wonderful charity. Tonight, Baldwin Humane Society has made a ton of money. It's obvious, and it has been a great, great night. These bands have been amazing. The food has been fantastic, and we have just had a great, great time. I hope that they have this festival for years in the future, and I will see you again on the next adventure of a lifetime.